Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, September the 7th, 2021. We have here a binary puzzle. The first two puzzles I have solved, 3 stars and 4 stars. Now it's the time for the binary puzzle. Yes, time for the binary puzzle. Number 3358. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. We have here now 1, 2, 3, 4 O's in this column, so the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O, double O, here one, there one. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 ones comes an O, between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. Then 3 O's. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Let me see. We need to compare. Yeah. Let me compare this first row and that row. Oh, correction. It's the row above. Okay. So is this row? 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 empty box 0 0 1 1. So we need to switch those 2 digits. Here we have a 1 here, so this should be an O. Here we have an O there, this should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double O, here 1, there 1. We need to compare again. Yes, this row and that row. Wait. Empty box. 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 empty box. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double 1 here, no there, no. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double 1 here, no there, no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Then 1 2 3 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 1 2 3 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1 here, no there, no. Finished in 4 minutes. Alright, great binary, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds with the fourth puzzle, a tectonic with 4 stars. See you then. Bye bye for now.